Hello, Roger here. I'll give you an acoustic way to play When I'm 64. I start with the bass walk from G and I play in the key of C. When I get old, on the chord C. Many years from now, G. You play on string 2, open, fret 1, fret 3, fret 1 and open. Will you still on the G, will you still be sending me a valentine? And you go from the G to the C like this. Birthday greeting and a bottle of wine. On the G, fret 3, string 5, fret 2, open string, string 4, fret 3, string 4. Then you take the chord C and play on the chord C. Bottle of wine. It's on the chord C, start on the fret 3, string 5. And then you continue on the chord C. We've been out till 2:45. You see, I variate the bass. I play with my ring finger on the root note C, and I variate on fret 3 with my ring finger, string 5 and string 6. If I've been out till 2:45, would you on the C7 walk to the F door? Will you still up to, you go from the F up to G sharp. Will you still need me onto the C? Will you still onto the A7? You take the A, but you lift your middle finger, and then you get the A7. And then the D7, when I'm to the G7, 64. And you got the next, the verses are the same, but you get another verse. You'll, on the A minor, you'll be to the G holder, and you go back to the A minor too. And if you D minor, say the word F, I could G, stay with you. And before you start the next verse, you can play. That's from fret 3, string 6, fret 5, fret 2, string 5, open string 4, and fret 3, string 4. And then you're into I can be hand in the fuse. So the verse is the same, and you have got the next bridge is Arizona, A minor, Arizona, we can rent the cottage in the isle to the G. Why, if it's not back to the A minor, dear? We shall swim hand, we shall swim hand to this E, say. Back to the A minor. Grandchildren, D minor on your knee. F, where a G sharp and A. So I wish you good luck with this one.